Hello again friends, welcome again to another tutorial, and today I want to show you how to create a Django application. It's just your applications. As you know, I like to keep my folders on the Python folder. I mean all projects related to Python. I always keep them on the folder called Python. So I go to users and my username, then the Python folder. So I will navigate to the folder I used to keep my records. So I go to the folder called Python, and then I make another directory which is going to be used for this project. So I make a directory, I call it just the project 1. Okay, so the directory is already created. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you create a virtual environment. If you haven't installed a virtual environment to your computer, you have to install it. Just use pip install env. For me, I've already installed the virtual environment, so the requirement is already satisfied. Okay, another thing that I want to navigate to the project folder, so I go cd project 1. Okay, so I want to create this project 1 to be my virtual environment. So what do? I do virtual env, this directory. Yes, it's taking time. I don't know why. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, the virtual environment is already created. Now we have to activate it. So we type script caps lock scripts slash activate. I don't know if this is slash or what. So our virtual environment is activated, so we can go ahead and create our first Django project. So we type Django admin, then start project, then we name our project. What name do we give our project? Let's say SIS, Student Information System. Okay, Django admin is not recognized. What am I missing here? The Django. Okay, activated. Oh, sorry. So the first thing we have to do is to install Django. Okay, let's go and install Django. Okay, it's installing Django. Django is installed. Now we can we can type the command Django admin. Django is Django admin start project 6. So after installing Django, we now start our project. So we type the command Django admin start project, and our project we are going to call it Student Information System SIS. Okay. Perfect. Now we have created a project named SIS. So we navigate inside the project. Cd SIS. Good. Now, if after finishing here, I will show you how the folders look like. Okay. Now we have started a project. Now we need to create our first application, and let's say we want to call it maybe a home interface for student information system. Okay, now just type Python and manage .py, then start app, and the name of the app, let's call it home. Okay, perfect. We have named our app, and our app is called home. Now let's try this and see if it works. My name is Python. Run server. See if the server runs. Wow, the server runs. Now let's go to the browser and see what happens. Remember to take this address here. Okay, so it's 127. Enter here. Wow, this is the interface. The first thing, if you start your application, you will see. Now this is the Django, and a little message of congratulations that we have successfully installed Django, and Django is working perfect. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to add the application and do some other stuffs. By the way, I love your face, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.